The Grenoble NewSpace Week is dedicated to the new space and its scientific, societal and commercial returns with high-qualified guests from the NASA, JAXA, ESA, École Polytechnique, CNES, Moscow State University, AirBus, OneWeb, the European Commission and more. NewSpace defines a new development in the design of preparation of space missions by non-traditional actors, such as university SMEs, thanks to the standardization of the production of small satellites and the major cost reduction. As a birth of internet and smartphones, NewSpace is going to strongly change our ways of lives and uses in legal, economic, social and human relations all around the world. In this context, the Grenoble University Space Center will organize 10 sessions dealing with the new space. Policy and leadership, instrumentation, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, satellite communications, planetology and astrophysics, space weather, exobiology, science projects with students, Earth observation and climate, and one conférence grand public, le climat et l'espace. This event is open to all students, educators, policymakers, scientists and engineers interested in space and its future.